Hello, my name is Valery Kamenev. Today I'm starting to record a number of videos on cosmology, more exactly about my views, ideas and hypotheses on cosmology models. Why I'm doing this? Because I'm not very much comfortable and happy about currently dominating models. More exactly, I'm not happy how three basic axioms which are lying in the basis of cosmology, how they developed, and namely how being isotropic, uniform and homogeneous influenced the whole thoughts of scientists on this area. So, this video is nevertheless for the broad audience. This very fast video is just intro. By the way, you could skip it if you're not interested in this. You could skip to the second one. But I would like to emphasize that all those videos, especially the first ones, will be for understandable even for the kids, whereas the later on videos probably will need some proficiency in mathematics, physics, astrophysics, astronomy, programming, and so on. So, about format of those videos, I will try to keep those videos 5, maximum 10 minutes long. I will try to keep it as short as possible, so that we are able to focus on a particular subtopic and discuss it. Maybe just a few words about me. For the first, I'm not a cosmologist. I'm having a master's degree in mathematics, and the whole my life is dedicated, my professional life is dedicated, almost the whole my life is dedicated to research in very different areas. Just to name a few. Recognition of the person based on the arbitrary phrase, face recognition, fingerprint recognition, iris recognition. Then 5 years of my life were dedicated to molecular biology. These are 3 years high-performance liquid chromatography and mass spectrometry, which are done for the proteomics, I mean the analysis of the proteins on a big scale, explorative analysis, by the way. And 2 years of my life were dedicated to DNA analysis and more exactly to epigenomics. This is about how our body makes some notes on the top of the DNA to use them later on. Also, I was involved in 2 projects for BMW. These are projects to create self-driving cars. I was also very deeply involved in the topology of mobile cells and how they cover the geography. Very interesting research, by the way, and other things research related. You could look into the LinkedIn if you are somehow interested. So, also, here I would like to thank some persons which influenced a lot appearance of those videos, because, for example, Alex Hunziker with his brilliant books, he was a trigger who brought me to think about this more. I was thinking about cosmology questions during my life, but never very seriously. But his books, they triggered triggered me much more deeper. So I'd like to thank Gabriele Ghilardi, who was discussing this topic with me and helped me to develop some thoughts, and also helped me to express my ideas in verbal form, because when you think about things, you are not always thinking in verbal form, right? So he helped me to express those inner movies into verbal form. Okay, and also I'd like to thank Marina Grauer for helping me to record these videos in other languages, which also made me more confident to prepare videos which could be shared for the larger audience. So, next video will be about very simple idea, and even if you don't share this idea, I would invite you not just to falsify this hypothesis, I would invite you to develop this idea into something more interesting even and more related to reality. And even if you don't share this idea, this could be a good fairy tale for your kids, for your small kids, to tell them not just generic fairy tales, but something related to the universe and also thought-provoking. So, thank you. Let's have fun.